Jesse, why did you told tatay? Why? Why? Answer me. Answer me. Why did you told tatay? Kita na ako ilong ni siya. Bati ba ka tag-ilong sa buto ni Ron? Why did you told tatay? Good. Why did you told tatay that Casty bite the chicken?
Cintang.
You told tatay, tatay was so angry at me.
Down.
Di town si di town. No, di town. Huh?